Are you a coach or a healer and you've heard of this term masterclass and you're curious how you can go out there and start making money from masterclasses that you create but you really don't know how? Well, if that's the case, then this video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help coaches and healers reach their first or their next 10K payday where they go out there and generate $10,000 for their coaching or their healing business in 30 days or less using a profitable presentation. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about masterclasses. We're going to be talking about what they are and how we use them, right, to go out there and create and reach a 10K payday for our coaching and our healing business every single month. We're going to be talking about what masterclasses are. We're going to be talking about how you can generate leads from your masterclasses easier than you ever thought possible. And we're also going to be talking about how you can make sales from your masterclasses faster than you ever thought possible. Without any further ado, let's head into this video. All right, so first things first, what is a masterclass, and specifically how can you use and how can coaches and healers use masterclasses like we have in your coaching or your healing business to make more money? Well, a masterclass is typically going to be a class, right, that is usually going to be online. It can be offline too, but usually you're going to find masterclasses that are going to be online, that are going to be a full class on helping people solve a specific problem. So usually what we're looking to do is we're usually looking to take what is one of the problems that you help people solve, right, within your business, right? You help people get to a solution, and usually you'll have milestones or stepping stones or steps, right, toward getting to that solution, from wherever they are qualified or could start working from you. And ultimately, right, you could create a masterclass that is going to be teaching one of those smaller steps, right, in its full capacity. And ultimately, you could record that and turn it into a masterclass. Now, ultimately, what we do is we're constantly putting on workshops, or we're constantly putting on things that we record, and then we might run them live. So we might run a live workshop 1 week. Then what we'll do is we'll record that live workshop and take that recording, make a couple of edits to it to add a beginning, add an end, tell people what to do inside that workshop, and then it becomes an asset that we can use for a masterclass. What we then like to do is we're going to go out there with that masterclass, and then we are going to drive traffic to that masterclass for people to watch. This allows us to have a profitable presentation out there that people can watch that we do not have to be giving live. This is where it's automatically being able to be seen, and then people can click on a button and schedule a call with me if they want to, or we could simply just follow up with them after they click to watch the masterclass to schedule a strategy call with them to then turn them into a client. But ultimately, what we're looking to do here is we're looking to build an asset that is going to be having, that people can watch, that people are going to be able to watch, that they're going to raise their hand in the process, letting us know when they go and watch it that they are interested in what that masterclass is all about. Before I go into this next piece and this next segment of this video talking about how you can use masterclasses to reach your first or your next 10K payday, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing coaches and healers so they can go out there and reach their first or their next 10K payday where they generate $10,000 or more in 30 days or less. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. So masterclasses are awesome, but how do we identify someone who's going to watch the masterclass? Like, we built this video, we had this video, how do we create something that is going to let us know specifically that they're interested in wanting to see this masterclass? And we do this by creating a very simple sales funnel. Now, what we want to do is we want this funnel to be 3 specific pages, and the first page is going to be an opt-in page. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an opt-in page with this funnel that just says, hey, here's a free masterclass on title of your masterclass. And then ultimately, right, we'll just have a picture and then add in a form that's going to be asking someone for their email and their name. Once they opt into that form, we're then going to have the information from that form texted to us, giving us a notification so we know specifically that this person just opted in to this form so that we can find them and ultimately connect with them online. The next thing we're going to have is we're going to have a page that is then going to have the video, and then below that video, we want to add a button that says schedule a call. We're looking to want to schedule a strategy call with the people that want to come to our masterclasses, and we want to give them the opportunity to do that. By then giving them an opportunity to schedule a call, we're then giving them an option for them after watching that masterclass to then schedule a strategy call with us to help them, right, with a bigger problem and them with a solution that we provide in the coaching package that we can offer them. And last and certainly not least, that last page, you want to make sure after they click on the schedule a call that it sends them to a page with your digital calendar, think Calendly here or whatever digital calendar software that you use, that is going to be embedded on that page so that they can schedule a call with you. And then what we want to make sure that we identify is we identify who is it that is watching, right, our stuff, who is it that is wanting to come and see our masterclasses. And the more and more masterclasses we build and have in the marketplace each and every time we run a profitable presentation, the more opportunities we're going to have as we start stacking these masterclasses up, creating masterclass series, and ultimately have people running to us to get help with what we have to offer them in the masterclasses that we're building. All right, so you have this idea for a masterclass and you want to go out there and you're wanting to create it, but how do you drive traffic to it? How do you get eyeballs to see it? How do you go and get people to watch that actual masterclass? And it's very, very simple, right? There's 3 specific ways that you can promote it, and I want to go over with you what those 3 ways are. The first way that we'll promote our masterclass is to our list, to people that already know us. This is going to be people on our email list, people on our Facebook group, stuff like that. The next way that we're going to be promoting our masterclasses is through organic marketing means. This is where we're going to be posting about it online. This is where we're going to be creating a profile funnel that's going to be promoting it, right, and pushing traffic towards us that comes to our profiles on social media, stuff like that. And then last and certainly not least, when it comes to promoting our masterclasses, this is where we're running paid advertisements. We might run Facebook ads for it. We might run Google ads to it or YouTube ads. But ultimately, this is where we pay money to generate traffic to people who are looking to solve the problem that we solve during those masterclasses. The secret that we have in regards to making money when it comes to our masterclasses has nothing to do with trying to make money at the masterclasses themselves and everything to do with scheduling a strategy call after the masterclasses. So I talked to you earlier about the specific funnel that you're going to be building for your masterclasses, and ultimately what we want to have is we want to make sure that we have a spot where people can schedule a strategy call with us. Now, when they're scheduling a strategy call with us, and anytime someone is scheduling a call with you that is going to be taking up your time as a coach or a healer, we want to make sure that on the strategy call we know exactly who we're talking to. So we want to make sure that we're asking them questions and making sure that they are qualified to hop on this call so that we do not waste our time for them or for us. We want to make sure that they're qualified before we ever hop on the call. So what we want to make sure that we ask them are questions that are going to have to do with us helping them if they're ready to work and invest time and money to do this, and ultimately what it is that they're looking to get help with. This is going to help us eliminate these questions on the call that we typically ask everybody anyway, and going to help us have a more quick and efficient call, which is ultimately usually going to help us make the sale a lot faster on those strategy calls. Are you a coach or a healer who's wanting to go out there and use masterclasses to sign up new clients for your coaching or healing business? Well, if that's the case, and I just got done with what I call my brand new profitable presentation pack, and I'd like to give it to you for free down there in the description. What my profitable presentation pack is going to be is everything that you need to go out there and build a perfect profitable presentation in 30 minutes or less so you can use it in the next 30 days to make more money. Specifically, reach your first or your next 10K payday in 30 days or less. It's absolutely free and you can download it down there in the description right now. In the profitable presentation pack, you're going to get 3 things. You're going to get my script, my template, and my slides. That is all going to help you to go out there and build your profitable presentation, your perfect profitable presentation in 30 minutes or less so you can use it here in the next 30 days or less to make more money. It's down there in the description and you can grab it right now for free. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. Let's go out there and make a choice to win today, not only by subscribing to this channel, but by going down there and grabbing your free copy of the Perfect Profitable Presentation Pack right now. We'll see you on the next video.